Hello from the shelter. Overnighter tonight. Me and Poppy. I've been wanting to do this ever since I started building it. I didn't talk on the build video, so I'll explain a little bit about it today. But basically, I came up here 6 times to do it, in about 2 or 3 hours each time. But I am really pleased with how it's turned out. I brought the hot tent stove. Now, I did try to build a chimney on it, but I struggled so much. All the rocks around here are sort of round shape, and it got to about 3 foot tall, collapsed in on itself. I had a mini strop, and I vowed I'm not going to try that again. So this is going inside with the chimney coming out. This should be ideal now. I was hoping that was going to fit. Nearly. That's better. Hands are stinking already. So the plan is to change this window slightly now, to make a hole so I can get the chimney out of it. Because leaving that like that now is quite a good reflector of the heat. Just plan to pull a few of these apart now so the pipe will fit through. Most of the stuff on this build I've watched other people doing on YouTube, but I just gave this a go myself. Looks like it's going to fit good through there. Turned out to be muddy work. That's that sorted. Get my face cleaned up, put the chair up, have a beer. I'll chop some wood as well. Actually, looking at it, it's willow, and willow it like spits and crackles a lot. I'm going to keep looking. Most of it around here is softwood, which burns really fast. I want something that burns for a long time. Can anyone recommend me a new axe sheath? Because mine is still on the floor of Thetford Forest somewhere. So at the moment I'm down to a sock. Hey dog. Yeah, I got a decent stash of wood there now. We just need a bed for this girl now. What are we going to do, Poppy? Should we go make you a bed? Well deserved. After a week of work, finally chill out. Okay, so Poppy's bed, just like mine, is going to be made up of pine branches. Now, there's a couple of reasons why pine is a really good material to use. You're not hurting the tree because they naturally shed the lower branches as they get bigger. You won't get ticks in it because it's off the ground. And it's quite nice and spongy to lie on. Here's my bed. Now, each time I come here, I'll just keep adding a little bit extra to this. And like I say, by taking it from higher up, you reduce the chance of ticks being in there. If you want to be really careful about it, you could clear this out each time you use it. Replace it with fresh. It's actually really warm in here now. It's definitely warming the place up, that stove. Whew. It's jumper weather outside, but t-shirt weather inside. So I've got some... Oh, one's gone in the mud now. Some proper red mashed potatoes tonight. I'm going to get them on now because this stove is really slow. It'll probably be on there for about an hour before they're done. What do you think of that? Unimpressed. She is a bit of a freezer, so tonight I've got one of the kids' jumpers I'm going to put on her. It is mega muddy in here. It's a bit of a boggy area. That's the main problem I had when I was digging this down. Hit the groundwater pretty quick. I've still got some cheese left over from Brie for tea, sent me it. That looks good. That's going to be cheesy mash, and also cut up ham is going in there as well. What do you think of a polo to it? Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. I got a hoodie for her later. So we're in the shelter. I can't quite convince Poppy of this bed. She's making it her own. Not overly impressed. What do you think? No, she's leaving. Not impressed. I think she's trying to get him out of the way. Well, might have to let her lie on this or something. But for the moment I'm using it, so. Later on, dog. So I've had a couple of my favourites. Vocation. I noticed this in Tesco's today. Vault City Blueberry Maple Sour. So I've got to give that a try. It's like a sour sweet. It's like that blueberry that's not quite ripe. You haven't got the sweetness there. It's nothing like maple. Nothing. You happy now, dog? Look at you. Such a princess. No, there we go. There she goes. Okay, stop the clock. We may actually have a boil here. Hour and a half. Main thing I'm thinking now, should have added a door to this so you could feel the chill through there. I think what I'll do now, I'll get the cheese on this ham. Look at that! Can you beat it? You can hear the dog sniffing. Oh my word. Look at that. Let's have a taste of this. that's good. That is good. Fair play. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Proper heat coming off this. There she is. Ideal. Oh, girl. Didn't have the best sleep ever, mainly because of this one. She's a total bed hog. Well, that fire went out after about 2 hours, and she was like, oh, screw this, I'm jumping in with him. But she was just trying to pick the best spot right in the middle of the sleeping bag. Come on here. Right, let's get this fire going again. There's lots of wood still in there, look. That was a midnight attempt at getting it going. A feeble attempt. Comfy? Ah. Loves it, don't you? You loves it. Pure Colombian. Stuff from Lidl's is the best, I find. Leave that to brew for 5. I got a special breakfast for Poppy. Sardines. Now, these are fine for dogs, but only once a week apparently. Out the way now. Let me do it first. Go on then. Apparently it's best to give raw meat to dogs. Something that can make us sick. They're fine with because they got different stomachs to us. You're a scavenger. Poppy thought she had the best breakfast, but she hasn't seen what I'm having yet. Omelette. Eggs. I'll use that cheese and ham from last night, what's left of it. Way! That's the first one gone. Put some of this chili black pudding in there as well. See what that tastes like. Forgot I had that. That was another one from Brie for Tea. I don't know what it's going to look like with that black pudding in, but I think it's going to taste nice. Thanks for checking out my shelter video, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. I'm not going to show you my omelette, because it doesn't look the best, but I think it's going to taste alright. So, catch you on the next vid. Thanks for watching.